Tell me, Bubs. Tell me your stories. Go on. No, Cheyenne. Make her take it back. Make her take it back. Come on, baby. What's going on? What's going on, bub? You gonna tell me? You gonna tell me? I thought you were talking. I thought you were telling stories. What happened to the stories?
What's up? Yeah? Are you shy? Are you like Cheyenne?
Another WB frog? Say hello, my baby. Hello, my darling.
Yeah? Tell us more. There's another kind of butter. What's up? You're speechless now? You're all speechless? Yeah? Wow. Yeah? You're not speechless? Tell me more. I want to hear. Oh, yeah. Go on.
Who is there?
I'm surrounded.
Oh, you're surrounded by ladies who love you?
Sean, what are you doing?
Are you surrounded? You have to make a face at him afterwards because he doesn't get it yet.
What's up? What are you doing, Sean?
You can't reach. You can't reach and he can't see your face.
Oh, yeah. Picture. Yeah? Yeah? Wow. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah. What else do you guys say? You don't know. Yeah.
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Look at Mama.
Hey, Bubby. Little Neo. Little Neo, my love. Bye-bye.